In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Firefox Assertive Default Browser Push on Windows. If you're using Mozilla Firefox on a Windows computer, you may notice a feature called the Assertive Default Browser Prompt. This feature is designed to encourage you to make Firefox your default web browser by displaying a more prominent prompt when Firefox isn't currently set as the default. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find this setting and how to enable or disable it based on your preference. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. Once the browser has opened, click the Application menu located in the upper right corner of the window. This menu is represented by three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open Firefox's Settings page. When the Settings page opens, scroll down until you find the Home and Startup section near the top of the page. This section contains the options related to how Firefox behaves when it starts and whether it checks if it's your default browser. Look for the option related to checking whether Firefox is your default browser. If Firefox is not currently your default browser, you may also see the setting that controls the more assertive default browser prompt. If you want Firefox to display stronger reminders to become your default browser, enable the option. Once it's turned on, Firefox may show a more noticeable prompt encouraging you to make it your default browser whenever appropriate. If you would rather not receive these reminders, simply turn the option off. Disabling it prevents Firefox from displaying the more assertive prompt while allowing you to continue using the browser normally. The change is applied immediately, so there's no need to restart Firefox after adjusting the setting. If you decide to make Firefox your default browser, simply follow the on-screen prompts when they appear. Windows may open its default apps settings, where you can confirm Firefox as your preferred browser for opening web links and supported file types. After completing the change, Firefox should recognize that it's now your default browser and stop displaying the prompt. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Home and Startup section in Firefox settings and adjust the option again. This gives you full control over whether Firefox reminds you about becoming your default browser. That's all there is to it. Using the Assertive Default Browser Prompt in Firefox on Windows is a simple way to manage how often the browser reminds you to set it as your default, while letting you choose the experience that best fits your preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,